Mastering quantifiers. Each, every, either, and neither, with possessive determiners. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of combining quantifiers with possessive determiners, focusing on each, every, either, and neither. So, are you ready to dive deeper into the English grammar universe? Let's get started. Before we start, let's refresh our memory on what quantifiers and possessive determiners are. Quantifiers are words we use to express the quantity of something, such as each, every, either, and neither. On the other hand, possessive determiners are words that indicate ownership or possession, like my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Now that we're all on the same page, let's see how these can be combined in English sentences. Each and every can be used with possessive determiners to specify individual items or people in a group. Each emphasizes individuality, while every stresses inclusiveness. For instance, 1. Each of my friends has a different taste in music. 2. Every one of her dresses is unique. Notice how the possessive determiner comes right before each, or everyone. Now, let's move on to either and neither. These can be used with possessive determiners when referring to two things or people. Either means one or the other, while neither means not one and not the other. For example, 1. Either of his parents can pick him up from school. 2. Neither of our ideas was accepted. Once again, the possessive determiner comes before either or neither. Now let's look at some common mistakes. Every should not be used for two items or people. Either is the correct quantifier to use. Similarly, neither should not be used for more than two items or people. None is the correct term. Incorrect. Every of her two sons plays football. Correct. Either of her two sons plays football. Incorrect. Neither of his three sisters lives nearby. Correct. None of his three sisters lives nearby. Remember, every is for all in a group, more than two, and either, neither, are for any or none of two. And that's a wrap. We hope this video helped demystify the use of each, every, either, and neither with possessive determiners. It might feel a bit overwhelming at first, but with practice, you'll master these in no time. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, every language journey is unique. See you in our next video, and happy learning!